Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. You can see it. It's backwards and upside down and all of those things, but spring 2025 Fabfitfun box. We've done all of the spoilers. Now's a chance to get some of them in our hands before we do customization. If you are an annual, we do customization on Friday. We're so excited. Let's get right into it. If you are new to Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you sign up as a seasonal, it is $69.99 per month. If you sign up as an annual, it is $219.99. The beauty is now whether you sign up as a seasonal or an annual, you get full customization over your box. You get to pick everything you get in all 6 of the choices. If you sign up as an annual, and I haven't said yet, it's my partner box. I like to say that right up front. I do say it later, but here we are. This is also my partner box. You save about $60 over the cost of the year, which is almost the equivalent of a free box. Plus you get a free gift from Fabfitfun. I will put links and codes down below to get you your free gift. Or if you'd like to sign up as a seasonal and take it season over season, you'll receive 20% off your first box. We gotta get this baby open. We have been talking about this so much with spoilers. They're working with great brands this season. We do get to choose what goes into our partner box, but, and I don't know if this is a secret, but I'm just gonna tell you guys, when we do, we don't know. We don't choose from everything. Like when I'm doing the spoilers with you guys, I am being spoiled on most of it. Also, it's all new information to me too. So pretty. I haven't watched anybody do this because I wanted mine to be new for me. But look, it's like a flower on the top and then down into the bottom. That is so pretty. I just love Fabfitfun, and when they reached out a few seasons ago to see if I would like to partner with them, it was such a tickle because I've been doing this, I think, for 6 years. I think 6 years I have been doing it on my own and even have 2 annual boxes. What's it say over here? Spring things. Spring things. I'm like that kid at Christmas. I'm totally enamored of the box. Don't be looking inside. Although one of you already made a very good guess at what at least one of my choices would be. Spot on. You know me so well. If as we go along you have any questions, just let me know below. I will try and answer it or get the answer for you. A lot of times somebody within the community knows. We have such a fabulous community here. I always love how helpful and supportive you guys are. I love it. Customization 1. I chose the July Crescent Bag Crossbody Purse. The strap can be 11 inches or 22 inches, so it can be either a regular purse or if you can crossbody with a 22, you can do that. Made for every day. It is very canvasy feeling. That's one of the reasons I got it. It said that it was cotton covered in, hold on, let's get the spoilers out because it told us what it was. It is 100% cotton coated with TPU coating and 100% cotton webbing, which I imagine is this. So that is what it looks like. Everything you need for every day. A crossbody sling that sits comfortably against your body, made from 100% cotton canvas. It's machine washable with a water-resistant interior for easy care. Okay, so they have it on its shortest. So if you wanted to just carry it like a purse, you could totally, see how much of this we can do. You could totally do that. I like it. It's the same front and back. We have the nice little July branding right here. Let's see how it zips. Let's unzip it. Ooh, the pull is the same canvas as the bag. Easy peasy. The inside feels kind of like a cotton lining, but I can tell, like it says, that it's a little coated. We have a zippered pocket right here. Oh, it's a really good size zipper pocket. You could definitely get, you know, a hand sanitizer, pen, phone, all kinds of goodies in there. And then the rest is just open. Let's see. Oh yeah, the bottom opens up really nice, which is important for me because when I carry a purse, like if you go into a restaurant, I want to be able to sit it on the booth or chair next to me. Okay, so it doesn't rock a little bit because it's a crescent. I wonder if it was full of my goodies, if it would actually even do that. Maybe. I don't know. But I like that it's set so that when I want to go through it for my goodies, it doesn't puddle. I am very happy with this. I wondered how I would feel about it as 100% cotton. I don't know that I will carry it until we get into spring and summer because it does read very spring and summer for me. But I like it a lot. I also wanted to be able to clear up the color of it for you guys. So I like that it's in here in real life. Let me turn my back to you for just a second because sometimes looking into the lights is disruptive when it comes to choosing color. Yes, I would call it taupe. What do we call it in here? We don't. We didn't have a color that we called it. So I'm going to call it taupe. That's the color to me. It's not white by any stretch. It's not cream. Yeah, I'm calling it taupe. Do you remember old-fashioned taupe? Deep beige, perhaps? That is what that is. I'm very happy with that choice. Okay, next out, customization 2. We have the Rise and Shine Ceramics Retro Flower Fruit Bowl, or Bowl de Fruits à Fleurs Retro. It's fancy in French. And it is 9.5 inches in diameter, 3.03 inches high. Some of you who knew me knew there was no way this was not coming to my house. I am a bowl girl. There's just no getting around it. I love bowls, whether it's decorative bowls. I just have this thing for bowls. I know, it's a kind of weird thing to have. Okay, I feel like I need one of those memes right here. Several hours later, like from SpongeBob. But look, it was worth the wait. Isn't she lovely? It is a cream base. It is pink petals. I would call the centers kind of cranberry. A little more rust perhaps than cranberry, but I would say cranberry. Oh, on the bottom, it says Rise and Shine Ceramics. So that is what 9.5 inches looks like. I worried when I heard 9.5 inches that this wasn't going to be big enough for like fruit, or if you were going to a party to take potato salad or that kind of thing. And it absolutely 100% is. Look, here's a normal sized pair of scissors. I mean, they're down in there. I just want you guys to know it is, I should say, bigger than I thought 9.5 inches is. Not bigger than 9.5 inches actually is. This had a $45 value. What was the value on the purse? Because I did not keep track. I don't make my choices in any of my boxes, not just FabFitFun, but any box. I never make my choices based on value because I want to pick the things that I'm going to want to use. So the purse was a $65 value, which more than covers the cost of my box because I'm an annual. And this had a $45 value. So already I'm at $110. Just my first 2 items. But isn't she lovely? I just love the bowl. It's so pretty. Customization 3, I went little. These are the Crystal Haze earrings. I wondered how big they were. So I wanted to be able to show you guys. So this is the pouch, and it's CH, which I think was Crystal Haze. Yep, it's the mini Serena hoops, except for I'm not sure if you guys can tell from there. It's completely empty. There's nothing in any of my bags. Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna go through all of the paperwork and make sure they didn't come out in traveling. Nope. Just making sure. I don't see them anywhere. So I will put a picture here of the gold Crystal Haze earrings that I chose. I will say this is a Crystal Haze problem, not a FabFitFun problem. Although someone could have caught it at FabFitFun. They probably just grab things down the line, and it's just empty. And this was closed. Not that it couldn't have come open and easily reclosed, but this was closed. So it didn't happen in shipping. It just was never put in here. Well, that is an interesting problem. It's my partner box. I will probably reach out to FabFitFun to let them know that it happened, but they of course don't need to send me the earrings because it's a partner box anyway. So if you're thinking about the earrings, there's some information. I want to say, what are the odds it would happen to you too? So just something to be aware of. Those had, if you ordered them in gold, had an $85 value. That's a lot of the value in my box. That said, if you ordered them in silver, they had a $65 value. That said, whenever I have had a problem in the past, they have made it right. I got a pair a couple of summers ago of scratched glasses, and they sent me new glasses. I think once at the very beginning. I mean, like back in 2018, I was missing an item and they sent me that item. I'm sure if it were my regular paid box, they would make it right. I have no doubt about that. Moving on, customization 4, I chose kitchen. You guys know I love kitchen, and this is KitchenAid kitchen. This isn't random run of the mill. Like I said, they work with some really great brands. It is, I think when we did the spoilers, they called this debossed because it's down in it, not above it. It's got a nice cover to stop me from grating my fingers off. That is good because I keep it in one of those drawers that, you know, I won't call it a junk drawer, but it has all of my utensil, like this type of things in it. And I would just reach in and wreck a nail. It's really hefty. I love the heft of it. That is what it looks like when you just take the lid off. If you go down, you are fine. So when you hold it, you'll hold it like that and you can just grate. I know, it's really simple. It has a $20 value, but it's something that I knew that I use. The one that I own is much narrower than this, and the edges curl, so this curl around it weird, and it comes off. It just comes off. This, I can tell you, I don't believe it's gonna come off. It fits really nicely, and it's a hard plastic. My other one was very thin, so it was time for an upgrade for me, and I'm glad I did it. Customization 5, I chose the INH, which is insert name here, which is what we've always called it, but INH now. It's a brush. It's a vent brush. It says vent it out. Smooth out hair troubles with the INH Hair Wide Vented Brush. This vented brush speeds up blow dry time while reducing tugging, damage, frizz, and styling. I go through brushes. I've always been an everyday hair washer, so I never realized that if you weren't an everyday hair washer, or at least if I wasn't an everyday hair washer, the little white fuzzies that I would end up with on my brushes. As an everyday hair washer, that didn't happen. But now I get little white fuzzies right at the base. This is more pink than I thought. The picture that I showed, I'm glad I did this. The picture that I showed made it look more wood colored. At the INH site, it was pink, but I was afraid to show that picture because I didn't know if it would be pink. This definitely has more of a pinky, peachy feel. Can you guys see that? It is a big brush. I mean, you guys know, I have really long hair. That is a lot. That is a lot of brush. I'm not saying I don't like it. I do like it. I had to get used to that curve right there. I missed my head the first time. I mean, that is a lot of brush. I cannot wait to blow dry with this. Very happy with this choice. This was inexpensive also. This was $20 also. Personally, I'm very pleased that it turned out to be kind of pinkish. Peachish. We'll call it peach. Okay, and last, in customization 6, I have the Trina Turk picture frame. It holds a 4x6 photo. This is what the box looks like. I thought that this was so pretty. I knew we were gonna be right here at Go to Disney World time, and I'm not a big picture person. I don't do a lot of pictures, but we always have our Disney pictures around, and I thought this was so classy looking, and I thought, well, when we get back from Disney, we're gonna have all of those Disney pictures, and how nice would it be to have a lovely frame to put them in? So I was kind of thinking that's what I would do with it. It is very well secured. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, that is absolutely beautiful. That is what it looks like, just like we expected. It says Trina Turk on the back. You can, oh, it's got the ribbon to stop it from spreading and falling. You can set it like that or like that, your choice. I think that's lovely. That will absolutely serve the purpose that I want. So this is where your picture will be. It'll probably be like that because there's a lot of us. I have 4 grands, my daughter and son-in-law, and my husband and myself. So that is beautiful. It had a $38 value. It's probably because it's Trina Turk. I am super pleased with this. I think it's probably the weight of it. It just feels like a very nice quality piece. Okay, that was my partner box. Almost perfect. Not quite, almost perfect. But I had the Trina Turk frame, the INH vented brush, the KitchenAid microplane, right? The missing, unfortunately, Crystal Haze earrings. I put the silica packet in there. That's what you're seeing. This gorgeous Rise and Shine ceramic bowl with the pinks, and that's just beautiful. And I set this on my lap so it'll be easy. The very useful, what a great size, July purse that you can use. I didn't do this for you guys. I should have done this. That you can use shorter or longer as a crossbody. Here, let me show you where it goes to on me, because you guys know I'm a bigger girl, so even on me, it's here. I mean, like, this is my waist, these are my hips. That is, I mean, it hits me where I would want a crossbody to hit me. But anyway, it will be great for crossbody use, and you guys can use it for whatever you want. So that is the, I'm gonna say, they said 22-inch strap, but I'm gonna say it's probably a 22-inch drop or an 11-inch drop, and all you do is pull that back through, and you've got a nice over-the-shoulder bag. Very handy. So let me know below what you think Super sad about the earrings. I will let them know just so maybe it makes them aware if there is a problem. But I'm very, very happy with all my other choices. And I know that if this was a box I paid for, this would be easy to fix. They would send them right over. Okay. So excited. Thank you guys so much for coming by. If you have any questions, let me know below. I will help you where I can. We are nearing the end of these 2 busy weeks. We had spoilers, we have the partner box. I have a full review that I'm gonna put up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, if you are an annual, we have add-ons that drop at 9 a.m. Pacific. Be sure and get on at 9 if you can. That's where you will do your add-ons, your Fabfitfun picks, your refills, all of that. Go for what you know you want first, because sometimes things do sell out quickly. Then later in the day, I will do a scroll through so we can look at what all of these new, because they showed us 15 new refills, but they said there's going to be 30 plus more than that. So we'll try and look at all of those. And then Friday, we have customization. If you're an annual, again, 9 a.m. Pacific, I would say be there as quickly as you can. You want to be sure and get everything that you want. And then I will do a customization scroll through for that also. Again, I am a Fabfitfun partner. I will put all of the Fabfitfun information down below, the links along with my codes that if you sign up as an annual, you will get a nice free box of goodies with. If you sign up as a seasonal, you will get 20% off your first box. That's all below. And if you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. I will see you guys again really soon. Take care.